Hey there, TikTokers. Have you ever blocked someone on TikTok and now want to give them a second chance? You're in luck. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of unblocking someone on TikTok. Get ready for the full guide. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the profile of the person you want to unblock. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your followers or following list. Step 3. Once you're on their profile, locate the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Unblock and tap on it. Following these simple steps will allow you to unblock the person and restore their access to your TikTok content. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to unblock someone in TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.